projectile. Surface of the object. The amount of air resistance depends upon the surface of the object. If the surface of the object is rough, the air resistance will be definitely greater. Surface to volume ratio. The larger the surface to volume ratio, the more will be the air resistance and will be its effects on the object. For example, a badminton shuttle will have more air resistance than a golf because of hole in it. Mass. The air resistance depends upon mass of the object. If the mass is similar, there will be more air resistance. For example, feather is comparison to a stone. The mass of the object is smaller, there will be more air resistance. Speed. If speed of an object increases, the air resistance also increases. This occurs due to friction. For example, a space shuttle. The spin also affects the flight of an object. In fact, the amount and direction of a spin acting on a projectile directly affects the distance covered or the traveled by the projectile. The main reason behind this fact is that the air pressure acting on the ball. For example, a tiny shot top spin gives a poorer distance in comparison to a back spin. As a matter of fact, top spin shot creates a region of high pressure on the top of the ball and low pressure under the ball. The air moves from high pressure to low pressure. As a result, the ball dips suddenly and less distance is covered. And backspin shot, a region of high pressure is created under the ball and low pressure above the ball. The air moves from high to low pressure and consequently the ball stays up for a longer time and thus increase the distance to be covered by the ball. Angular and linear movements. The movement of object can be classified in three different ways. Movement can be linear, angular or mixed of a linear and angular, which is simply called general motion. Linear motion. Linear motion refers to any motion of a motion that moves along a straight line in one direction. The direction can be either the horizontal, vertical or inclined direction. As a matter of fact, linear motion describes the situation in which motion occurs in a straight line. It occurs when all points of object are athlete move in the same distance, in the same direction and the same time frame. To determine whether motion is linear, imagine 2 points on the object. Now imagine a straight line connecting these 2 points. The object moves does the line points in the same direction throughout the motion. Does the line stay in the same length during the motion? If both the conditions are true throughout the motion, then the motion is linear. Angular